Upgrade your kitchen game with the Sup Ma Kin Mandolin Slicer. Effortlessly slice, dice, and julienne with adjustable thickness settings for perfect results every time. Safe, efficient, and stylish in matcha green. This is the ultimate kitchen must-have. Transform your prep time with Sup Ma Kin. Next one is Vegetable Chopper, Food Chopper, Onion Chopper, Vegetable Slicer Spiralizer, Veggie Chopper with Container. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is not just any food prep tool. It's an all-in-one solution. It comes with interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, and even spiralizing. Plus, it has a large container to catch everything, keeping your kitchen clean and organized. First up, let's try the Onion Chopper. No more tears while dicing. Simply place the onion on the blade grid, press down, and voila! Perfectly diced onions in seconds. Move to other one that is a chicken shredder. Made with heat-resistant material, this tool is built to handle high temperatures, so you can shred freshly cooked meats without waiting. Perfect for meal prepping, dinner parties, or your favorite recipes. Cleaning is a breeze. The Pro Chicken Shredder is dishwasher safe and even comes with a handy cleaning brush for those hard-to-reach spots. The Pro Chicken Shredder makes cooking faster and more enjoyable. Upgrade your kitchen game today with the Pro Chicken Shredder. Effortless, efficient, and a true game changer for home cooks everywhere. Order yours now and make shredding a breeze. Seafood Scissor, the next super cool gadget. Made from premium stainless steel, these shears are built to last, giving you precision cuts every single time. From trimming poultry to slicing herbs. And that's not all. With Gidley, you also get a bonus seafood scissors, perfect for cracking crab legs, cutting lobster shells, and cleaning shrimp with ease. Worried about cleanup? Don't be. These shears are dishwasher safe, making cleaning up a breeze. These aren't just for the kitchen. Perfect for everyday tasks around the house. Move to other one that is a smart sharp knife sharpener. Struggling with dull knives? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to effortless cutting with the Smart Sharp Knife Sharpener. This professional 3-stage manual sharpener is designed to bring life back to your knives in just seconds. It's so easy to use. Simply follow the 3 stages for the perfect edge every time. Ceramic stone, perfect for fine honing and polishing. Tungsten carbide plates, reshape your blade and restore its sharp edge. Diamond rods, for precision sharpening and long-lasting performance. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. Next super cool gadget is silicone utensil rest and spoon holder. Say goodbye to sauce stains and grease marks. The raised edges ensure drips stay in the rest, not on your counter. What if I told you there's an easy solution to keep your space clean and organized? This heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe drip pad is designed to hold multiple utensils at once, keeping your countertop mess-free. Next is Cute Egg Separator. This adorable little helper is perfect for separating egg yolks from whites with zero mess and all the fun. Whether you're baking a cake, whipping up some meringue, or making your favorite omelet, this quirky chicken has got your back. And the next is Pasta Strainer Clip. Are you tired of dealing with bulky colanders or accidentally spilling your food while draining? Say hello to the ultimate kitchen helper, the clip-on silicone strainer. This compact and innovative strainer clips right onto the edge of any pot, pan, or bowl, making draining pasta, vegetables, meat, and fruits effortless. Made from durable, heat-resistant silicone. And meet the next one that is stainless steel toaster, your new best friend in the kitchen. Whether you're starting your day with a hearty breakfast or just need a quick snack, this toaster has you covered. This isn't just any toaster. With its 4-slice capacity, you can toast multiple slices of bread, bagels, or even thick artisanal loaves, all at once. Those extra wide slots? They're perfect for any bread. Next one is the onion holder for slicing, your new best friend in the kitchen. This versatile tool is perfect for cutting onions, tomatoes, potatoes, avocados, eggs, and even fruit like lemons. Let's take a closer look at how it works. First, simply place your onion, tomato, or potato onto the holder.